What?
Let's make a smoothie.
You want a smoothie?
Yes.
Let's go to the kitchen. You're right, we do need a blender.
Take the top off?
You took the top off.
Yes.
Are you ready to put ingredients inside?
Yes.
Alright. What goes in the blender first?
Almond milk.
Almond milk. Let's pour it. That's good.
It's so bubbly. More.
You got the almond milk, Lincoln. What's next?
Everything.
Everything?
Yes.
Even cups?
Yes.
Fish doesn't go in a smoothie. What do you think goes inside here to make it yummy? What kind of...
Almond milk again.
No, that's enough almond milk. What kind of fruits?
A cookie.
Cookies don't go in the smoothie.
Dada.
I don't go in the smoothie.
Coffee.
Nah. Strawberries and blueberries, where are they at?
Up there. This first.
Okay. Strawberries do you think we need?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Too many. How about just 3?
Hey, 1, 2, 3,
One.
4, 5.
Okay, 2 more.
That's cold. That's really, really cold.
Yeah, you're right.
What's that?
That's a strawberry. Go ahead and put 1 more in.
That's really, really cold.
Yeah, so how many strawberries are in there?
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, why should we dump it? Because your fingers will get all blue. That's good. Whoa! Lots of blueberries. Do we need that yellow?
Banana.
Bananas.
Bananas.
All right, go ahead, peel it apart and start putting it in the blender. All right. Where's the piece for the blender? Last 2 pieces in the blender. What are you gonna do with that one? Oh my. Can you put that piece in the blender? All right, let's put some walnuts in.
A lot.
Not a lot, just a little bit, like 5. Go ahead, that's probably good. Go ahead, put those in.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. That's about 3. Go ahead, put 2 more.
2.
Okay. Good job.
I get 1, 2, 3. Let me do it.
Okay.
Let's honey.
Splash of honey?
What's that? H-O-N-E-Y.
Organic honey.
Organic honey.
We're just gonna put a little drop in there.
Honey.
Here, I'll let you squeeze it. Okay. Ready?
No.
Go ahead, a little squeeze. That's it. Okay.
That's one banana.
And guess what? We're ready to blend it. Put the lid on. Where's the lid?
Yeah.
Squeeze it on there. All right, let's press blend. Oh wait, we gotta plug it in. We got all the ingredients in, except what are we missing that's cold? Ice. Good work. All right, now let's hit the smoothie button. Yeah. All right, go ahead and turn it off. That one, yeah. All done? Not yet? All right, here we go. Are you excited for this smoothie?
Yeah.
get a straw. Hold on. You silly. Here.
A drink.
Now taste. Is that a good smoothie? On a scale of 1 to 10, how yummy?
11.
Wow. Is that the smoothie dance? And a jump. All right, let's cheers for a good smoothie. Cheers. Mmm, it is a good smoothie. You're welcome. Ah.